Hi everyone, let's talk about what Chat GPT is and how you can use AI to generate Facebook ad copy. It's pretty awesome. Imagine it like this AI robot in the background. That's like magic. That's just typing out exactly what you want with context. But that's obviously not how it works. But I just thought this was a cool image. But I'll show you exactly how it works soon. So what is ChatGPT? It's basically an artificial intelligence that can generate natural language text, and it's been used in a variety of applications, including chatbots and content creation. So next, I'll show you what it looks like and how to create a free account on ChatGPT. Okay, so you go to openai.com/blog/ChatGPT, and then you can just go to hit try ChatGPT to create an account. It's basically free. You just need to provide your email and phone number, I think. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's really cool. They give you examples of, what you can type in, different capabilities, also limitations. So I'll let you guys read through all of this. But I just put an example here of, share 3 versions of Facebook ad copy targeting 3 different personas for someone interested in eco-friendly swimwear. So let's see what happens. So you can see it's like instantly generating different versions of copy, which is amazing. So number 1 for the environmentally conscious surfer, for the beach loving mom, and what's the last one? For fashion forward trendsetter. So you can treat this as like a first draft. Like it may not be exactly what you want for your brand, but you can kind of tell, right, that it's already pretty awesome. It's like telling you, made from recycled plastic bottles, designed for performance, swimsuits made from safe, non-toxic materials. I think you can even try to refine it. You make it more suitable for Facebook ads. Let's see. Okay, so this is more like ad copy, right? Save the ocean one wave at a time. It's pretty good. Style and sustainability go hand in hand. Make a splash with our chic, eco-friendly swimsuits made from recycled materials. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. You can even like specify the word count, make long form copy, short form, all of that. And it's completely free. So let me know what you use it for and best of luck.